Hi, I'm Will from Safeback, and I'm going to be telling you about the SBX user interface. SBX is simple by design, with only 3 moving parts that you'll be interacting with after it's installed in your backpack. The activation handle, the test off button, and the battery compartment. Safeback SBX is activated by pulling the activation handle, which is mounted on one of your shoulder straps. If an avalanche is triggered, the system should be activated immediately. In many cases, there may only be a matter of seconds between when an avalanche starts and when it's difficult to activate the system. For this reason, it's essential that users train with their device installed on their backpack so that they're familiar with the placement of the handle and the pull force required to activate the system. Once activated, the system will pump air to the breathing area and will continue running until the batteries die or until the system is manually deactivated. To deactivate the SBX, the control unit must be retrieved out of the backpack and turned off with the orange test off button. Turn off the system by using a short, long pattern, or a double press where the second is held in until the system turns off. This pattern was chosen to avoid any incidental deactivation in the case of an avalanche. After turning off the system, it's important to conduct a self-test to make sure that the batteries have enough capacity to keep being used. To conduct a self-test, the system must first be off. Hold down the orange button, and the self-test will automatically start. During the self-test, the system will check the battery status and the state of the fan and electronics to ensure that everything is ready for use. The LED light on the bottom of the device will indicate the status of the system. If you receive a green result, then the system is ready for use. If the light turns red, take note of the light and sound pattern made by the device in order to check the user manual for the exact error message. Before any day taking SBX into the backcountry, the self-test should be conducted to check the status of the system. The most common red result is that the battery capacity has gotten too low and the battery should be replaced. We specify a very specific battery for this system, an Energizer Ultimate Lithium AA replaceable battery. We've chosen these batteries for 3 main reasons. They're the best performing batteries in extreme cold temperatures. Being replaceable batteries, it's convenient to carry an extra set for longer trips into the backcountry. The lithium contents of each of these batteries is low enough that you can legally fly with these batteries in your carry-on. Use of other batteries is not recommended by Safeback and will result in degraded performance of the system, ultimately leading to shorter run times for avalanche burial victims under the snow. Remember that even with SBX on your back, avalanches are life-threatening and should be avoided. Your Safeback backpack is not an Iron Man suit, and it cannot protect you from the trauma of being caught in an avalanche. We recommend that anyone that's interested in traveling through avalanche terrain take a formal avalanche safety course in order to learn how to evaluate and avoid avalanche danger. To learn more about backpacks integrating Safeback SBX, visit our website at safeback.no.